Most people think reputation breaks in dramatic moments. A big argument, a public failure, a loud mistake. But for Malik, it wasn't loud at all. It happened on a random Tuesday morning, the day he missed a deadline that the whole team was depending on. Not because he didn't care, not because he wasn't capable, but because he didn't want to admit he was struggling. He thought asking for help would make him look weak. Instead, staying silent made him look unreliable. And the next day, he felt it. The shift in tone, the shorter replies, the way people stopped checking in with him. Reputation doesn't collapse all at once. It fades, quietly, slowly, and sometimes without warning. But this is the story of how he rebuilt it. Not instantly, not perfectly, but intentionally. And these are the 3 lessons that helped him do it. 1. He owned the mistake without defending it. Most people apologize by explaining. Malik used to do that too. But this time he didn't say, "I had too much on my plate," or "I thought I could finish it later." He simply said, "I should have spoken up sooner. I didn't. I'm fixing that." No excuses, no long story, just ownership. His manager paused, then said something Malik didn't expect. "Thank you. This is the kind of accountability we need." That moment taught him something powerful. People don't lose trust because you make a mistake. They lose trust when you pretend you didn't. 2. He rebuilt trust through small, consistent actions. Reputation doesn't recover through one big gesture. It recovers through patterns. So Malik created a simple routine. Every Friday, he sent his team a short update, what he completed, what he was working on, and what he needed help with. At first, nobody reacted. No praise, no comments, nothing. But by week 3, people started saying, "Thanks for the update. Appreciate the clarity. This helps a lot." And that's when he realized trust grows the same way it breaks, quietly. 3. He became the person who made other people's jobs easier. One of the fastest ways to repair a reputation is simple. Be useful. Malik started helping teammates with small tasks, reviewing a document, sharing a resource, offering feedback, checking in before problems grew. Not to impress anyone, not to look good, but because he understood something important. When people associate your name with help, they stop associating it with mistake. And slowly, that's exactly what happened. The truth is simple. Everyone slips, everyone misjudges, everyone makes mistakes, but not everyone knows how to recover from them. Malik learned that reputation isn't about being perfect. It's about being accountable, consistent, and useful. Own the mistake. Show reliability through small actions. Become someone who lifts others. Do those 3 things and people won't remember the moment you fell. They'll remember the way you stood back up. Let the ideas compound.